Hello everyone! So the National Weather Service issued a blizzard warning, and the Department of Transportation says you shouldn't travel on any of the roads because of the whiteout conditions and drifting and blowing snow. So what do you say, guys? Should I go fly? Here in town it's not so bad, but I think once I get up to the top of this hill things are going to change pretty quick. Over there to the left looks like nothing but snowdrifts, and that truck is having a good time going through some of them. Maybe I should follow them. That looks like fun. Oh yeah, nice snowdrifts here. Well, there's a road straight ahead, but you can't see it very well. It just disappears into the snow. Oh wow, there's a snowdrift. Let's take a left and go over to the church, which is exactly where I went and flew in weather conditions just like this last year. We'll see what their parking lot looks like. All right, now I'm here at the Catholic church parking lot. Looks like they plowed it, and there's a good bit of wind and blowing snow coming across, and there's a little bit of sun showing there. So hopefully I got the right ND filter on and this looks good. All right, well, I've got a picture. It's 7 degrees out, so let's see how well this DJI system handles the cold. First time flying with the new latest January firmware too. All right, I better just go up high here a little bit and see. Gosh, this is almost identical to the weather last year, and the wind is blowing me like crazy. Let's check out these guys clearing the snow over here. Whew, that's difficult to fly. Oh, this wind, fighting that wind is crazy. Going with the wind, it's like going super fast without giving it any throttle at all, and that's hard to control too. Oh, there's somebody out driving. Whoa! I have to be at like a 30-degree angle just to not drift with the wind. There you can see the snow just blowing across the parking lot. Now I'm going with the wind super fast. There's a lot of traffic out on the road compared to what I would expect, considering the size of the snow drifts across some of the roads when you get out a little farther. Maybe there's something going on over there at the high school today. I would think it would be canceled though with the weather like it is. And my battery voltage is telling me I don't like this cold weather. Stop flying. Alright, what are the chances I can open the hatch on the Jeep while trying to fly. Oh, I'm gonna hit that light pole. Alright, I hit it. Now am I gonna be able to get in there before my battery dies? And will I be able to make it in this wind? Whoa! That wasn't my best back of the car landing ever, but I made it. Fell down between the seats. Alright, first battery done, and I survived. Alright, here we go. Back into the wind. And my fingers are a little bit colder this time from being out there for a second. Alright, see what the snowplow guys are doing. They're not done yet. Still pushing the snow around. Looks pretty good though. Yeah. Hopefully the GoPro smooth with the Hypersmooth, it softens the jerkiness here, but oh wow, my car even shook from that gust of wind right there. Alright, where are they going? I wonder if they've even noticed me at all. Probably not. Whew, shaking there. Chased this little bit of snow. Came up from the snowplow. Whoa, those trees come up fast. Kind of hard to keep them in shot just right with the wind and everything blowing me. Oh, you gotta fly at such a crazy angle, and I can't quite tell where I'm gonna go because of the wind. Yeah, I'm like half throttle and I'm barely moving at all. My battery voltage is sagging big time. Alright, time to come in for this battery. If I can land. Yeah, that was better landing than I expected. All right, well, it looks like the snowplow drivers have finished up clearing out this lot and headed off. So I'm gonna go head over to the high school and see what things look like over there. Wow, the roads are icy here. Yeah, this is with me with full brakes on. Very slippery. And it's down to 4 degrees. Alright, let's go back into that high school parking lot and try flying a few battery packs over here. All right, the wind in this location around the edge of the building there is crazy. 75% throttle or something like that, and I'm just barely going into it, and the snow is just blowing like mad. Wow, definitely a challenging flying environment for sure. So as you can see, it's still a pretty good blizzard out there. It was a lot of fun flying. Only brought 6 batteries, that's all I've got that work really well right now, and could have used a few more. Wow. You can feel those wind gusts even just shaking the car. It was a fun time. It was very tricky flying, especially right here by the building there, straight into the wind. I don't know what, it was 50-mile-an-hour winds or something, so I've got to have the throttle pretty high just to maintain my altitude there. Wow. And it's still really blowing pretty good. Anyway, batteries are all done, so I'm done, and I'm gonna head home and hopefully get there without getting stuck in the snow. That's a good snowdrift right there, wow.